In this lecture, we're going to show how to use a tool Repair Sketch. So let's go to the Sketch tab and let's create a new sketch on the front plane. Like this. Now let's go to the line. Let's create a horizontal line like this. Now let's create another line. For example, like this. And now let's get closer. Let's zoom in. And let's create another line that starts from here near to this point. Like this. Let's zoom out. And now if you look from this side, you can see here is a break. And now sometimes you look at your sketch and you can't see that you have a break, but you have some error. And you can't find that error because it's really, really small. So here is a break, as you can see. And if you can't find that, you can use a tool, Repair Sketch. So let's go to Repair Sketch. And here we have a showing gaps smaller than this number. And now the SOLIDWORKS automatically recognizes, okay, here is a gap. You have to fix this. But didn't recognize this gap because SOLIDWORKS only searches for the gaps that are smaller than this number here. For example, we can choose here 5 millimeters, and now SOLIDWORKS automatically recognizes the second gap. So now we have two gaps here, this one and this one. Of course, we see this one, but this one we didn't see because it was too small. But here you can adjust your value, and then you can find the gaps and you can repair your sketch.